Do you know you can use ChatGPT to generate titles, I mean viral titles for your video? So in this video, I'll be teaching you step by step, practical step for you to generate viral titles or topics for your video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and let's dive into the video. So what you have to do now is for you to go to the Play Store and download your ChatGPT. After downloading the ChatGPT, this is the app ChatGPT. So you are going to summarize the topic, like what you said in the video. For me now, let me just type like, hey ChatGPT, I created so I told ChatGPT that hey I created a video about how to blur videos using InShot. So what we're gonna do is to press full stop and tell ChatGPT to help you to generate a clickable and a searchable topic. So we're gonna tell ChatGPT that help me to create a clickable and a searchable title. Then we send. So ChatGPT have generated different type of viral topics title that we can use for our video. The first one here is how to blur a video background using InShot. In a bracket, easy step-by-step tutorial. The second one is InShot blur effects tutorial 2026. There are different types, so you can just choose one and use it for your video. So make sure you share this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel.